Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to connect our Aqara Smart Lock with Apple HomeKit. First and foremost, make sure you have already set up your Aqara Smart Lock using its Aqara Home app. Moreover, you don't specifically need a Aqara hub for this setup. You can connect the lock directly to the HomeKit. Just in case, if you have a hub, then you can connect the lock to the hub for faster response. Before we start, make sure you enable the Bluetooth and network on your iPhone. Next, open the Aqara Home app and click on the three dots on the top right hand corner just beside the image of the lock. Now scroll down and go to the Other Platforms option and select HomeKit. Next, click on Bind and select your HomeKit shown on the screen. Next, using your phone, scan the QR code available on the back side of the Aqara Smart Lock. The app will ask you to press the HomeKit button on the back side of your smart lock. Next, add the lock. On the Aqara Home app, you will need to add the lock. Once added, you will be able to name the location of the lock and rename the lock too. You can also turn on the Express Mode feature. With this enabled, you will be able to unlock the door by holding your iPhone near your lock without actually unlocking the iPhone. Moreover, your home key is also transferred to your Apple Smart Watch, so you can unlock the door using your watch also. Plus, you will also get notified about your doors getting locked or unlocked on your iPhone and Apple TV too. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my effort. Thank you.